Since 1884, the zoo has undertaken the mission of developing and promoting a zoological and botanical park of excellence, a conservation center for vulnerable and endangered species, scientific research, environmental enrichment programs, and conservation education together. Opened in 1884, the Lisbon Zoo was the first park with fauna and flora on the Iberian Peninsula. There were several founders, Dr. Pedro van der Laan, José Tomás Sousa Martins, and Baron de Kessler, who had the support of several personalities. King D. The first installations were located in Parque de São Sebastião da Pedreira, which was provided free of charge by its. The countless shipments of animals from Africa and Brazil contributed to the fact that, over the years, the zoo had one of the largest and most diverse collections of animals in the world. In fact, some governors of former overseas provinces stood out in contributing to the enrichment of the zoological collection with specimens of exotic, little-known and very attractive species. In 1952, Lisbon City Council awarded the zoo the city's gold medal. In this way, specific work areas were created with their own objectives to improve animal collection and well-being, their nutrition and medical and veterinary care. Currently, the zoo plays the role of educator, with the advantage of having one of the best classrooms in the country, whose animal collection, space and activities provide attractive and effective learning. The zoo stopped being a showcase for animals and took on an active role in the protection and conservation of nature. Improved facilities for animals allowed the birth rate to increase. The veterinary hospital, opened in 2008, was considered the best in Europe by AZA, European Association of Zoos and Aquariums. Nowadays, the zoo is different. It has a new mission and a new message, features new attractions and facilities. The garden is a space where, combined with conservation and education, there is a strong component of entertainment and fun. In this new zoo there are around 2,000 animals inhabiting a group of approximately 300 species, including mammals, birds. The zoo has around 2,000 animals from more than 300 different species, many of which are in danger of extinction. But the work of the zoo is not restricted to the perimeter of the zoo, where it daily contributes to the conservation of the species in its care. It extends to the distribution area of different animal species through conservation in the natural habitat in situ conservation. In order to achieve its mission and carry out its conservation programs, the zoo developed a conservation fund. Europe is covered mainly by temperate and Mediterranean forest, woodland, and shrubland. The zoo is dedicated to the conservation of European species through local actions, but also contributes through other programs. The taiga, steppes and prairies, and temperate forests, but also patches of mangroves, deserts and tropical forests characterize the Asian landscape.